just how much of that floor is covered in hive. Look at that. Wow. So from here on that way. Ugh. Oh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a beehive in the floor of a shed. Upon further inspection and the discoloration, we find that it's been there at least a year, possibly longer. Look at that pool. So tempting to jump in. So let's go. Look at that discoloration. You guys see that? Yeah, that takes a year to occur. With this nifty little dandy tool, just how much of that floor is covered in hive. Ooh, you guys see that? So, wow. So from here on that way. So, there's our line. Wow. Look at that. Ugh, I hate wood chips and cutting wood. But it's the inevitable. And this thing did not even budge. Oh my goodness. Oh my. This is not going to be fun. Wow. They're already going crazy. Let's use this blade. Oh my goodness, this is not good. This is not good. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. OMG. Oh. Oh. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy on my soul. Okay, so what we're going to do first is chase the bees off so we can really work in there. Obviously they are not happy. So many bees. Okay, so here we have obviously brood. We need this piece. We're gonna put that in the box. So I did a little pre-cut. Oh, giant piece of brood going straight in the box. And we're gonna have to kind of, oh, I guess that's actually kind of perfect. And we're gonna keep removing this. Hopefully there's some eggs. This piece, yep, there's some brood in there. There's some eggs. There's some larvae. Look at that. I'm gonna fit that in between. And then we're gonna keep fitting that brood in till there's no more room. Well, plenty of room for bees, but not leave too much empty space. Okay guys, progress update. We have removed a majority of the honey and the brood actually. As you can tell, brood's in the box. I still have to organize it a little bit, make sure it's nice and orderly. Let me show you what's inside. Got a little bit left in there. And we have some honey left in there. Quite a lot actually. What we're gonna do is chase those bees out so we can clean it out properly without traumatizing them too much. Oh yeah. They is not happy. Alright, let's get back to work. That bag is full of honey. Let me show you what's going on over here. It's, well, not a shit show, but a honey show. It's for show. Oh my goodness, bees are covered. Just covered in bees. It's hot out here, guys. I am trying to get this done with. It's so hot. It's like 90 degrees outside. But all done. We still have to go and take that bag to the truck if I can make it.